All right, so here's the rig I came up with. I made these blocks and then I just added some plywood on the bottom so I could extend them out and so I could screw them down to the table. Originally I was gonna clamp them all down, but I realized the clamps were actually moving and they were only holding out here as opposed to here and here. So putting 2 screws in them just stabilize them. And I pitched it because now my freaking stock is warped. If you can see it in camera. See how it's like warped out? It's not great. So I like angle these so it's a wider mouth and it's more narrow in the back. So it's like 1 7/8", 1 13/16 in the back. I use pre-finished maple on the surface here so it's nice and smooth and everything's secured down. And I built this auxiliary fence